This is my daughter Mali. She's very happy. As you guys can see, she has 2 teeth. You want to show them? Hey Mali. Hey. Visa dina tender. Nah, she wants to be a vlogger. And that's Kadra over there. I am looking currently a hot mess. I'm on my way to the pool. And these ladies are on their way to get some breakfast. Oh, only my sister, she's the one that's hungry. But look at Kadra's hair. It looks so nice. I have my natural hair. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna show my face. So yeah, I took out my braids yesterday.
Ja.
Hej!
Vad hjälper du till Mahla?
Just brushing your teeth.
Vem har lite tandkräm? Hur många sekunder är det? 15. Aha, vad tråkigt.
Ababa.
Ja.
Titta!
Vilka ska ju dit? Ja.
Look at her outfit. This girl is over here representing Africa. Like seriously. Say hey! She always want to hold the camera, but anyway, so we're just starting off the vlog here. You guys are gonna tag along. We're gonna have an amazing day, and my outfit for today is just a simple dress because we're just going to the beach and it's so hot. So I'm currently with my girls. I'm about to get lunch/breakfast because I wasn't hungry this morning, so they had breakfast already. And yeah, this restaurant is so nice. So we're gonna go to the beach that is down there called Doctor's Cave. We're supposed to go there yesterday, but it started raining, but we're going today. And look at my beautiful sister. Hey Ramu.
Hey.
Look at her, you look so nice.
Oh, thank you.
Look at her lipstick on point. Yes. And my other sister Kadra, she's working. You know, you have to turn this way.
Oh.
Ah, yes.
Hello guys.
How are you? How are you
fine.
loving Montego Bay so far?
I love it.
You've been here?
Yeah, I've been here a few times, so I like it a lot.
Yeah. They're showing me around. This is my first time here, but I've been here so many times.
Yeah.
And my sister's daughter Mali, the star of all stars.
Yeah, we're gonna make a YouTube channel.
Yes, for her. Yes, we have to. What's up, Mali? Ramu, are you on it? You're gonna make a channel for her?
Mali, do you want a YouTube channel? She's busy with her bottle.
Mali, you want a YouTube channel? Yes or
You
no?
can drink some water.
No, she just wanna bite on it.
Where's
The beach. I'm gonna show you guys where the beach is at so you guys can see where we're going. They're like rocking some church music at this place, but I love this resort we're staying in. It's absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you guys the beach. That's the beach that we're gonna be at, and we're going very soon. Everyone is just waiting for me to eat. And guys, but Montego Bay is absolutely beautiful. Like, just look at the water. Like, I'm the girl who normally doesn't swim, but I am so ready to get in this water. I even got my hair braided, so this wig is coming off in a couple of minutes. So yeah, and people are having fun. I'm gonna show you guys. Look, all the way down there, that's where we're gonna go. Yeah.
I said, babe, it's a snack. He said it's an entree. With them pretty ass twins, you look like Beyonce. Looking like money back, money back, money back, money back, money back, money back, yeah. Money back, money.
By the way, no one is in the restaurant right now. Everyone is at the beach. That's why I'm acting a fool. So enjoy it.
No.
That's my outfit. Love it.
Beautiful.
Ah, thank you, Kadra. And I
Wow.
love her outfit. Let me show you Kadra's outfit. She's keeping it simple today. Show them your outfit. Hey, go girl, go girl. And you got your bikini underneath.
Que está dura, mano arriba porque tú te ves bien. Está dura, mamacita, te fuiste de nivel. Dura, mira cómo brilla tu piel. Está dura.
Kadra.
What's up, girl? You good?
Yes, a Dolly Club vlogger. I'm so bad at vlogging, but by the way, I had breakfast at the restaurant, and if you guys don't know, I've been doing the keto diet for like 3 months, and I haven't had bread in so long. So I had bread today and yesterday, so I was feeling so bad. Like, seriously, I am not about the carb life no more. So that's why I haven't been vlogging. But right now we are at a beach called, what is this beach called, Ramu?
Doctor's Cave.
Doctor's Cave. I'm gonna walk around and show you guys Doctor's Cave. It's so beautiful over here. Her bathing suit is so on fleek. Oh my god. I have been literally just laying on the stool since forever. but it is so beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Okay, this is the bikini I'm wearing today. Don't mind my stomach pouching out because, yo, the carb life is not the life for me. But I'm gonna show you guys the water.
Somebody tell me you shit for kids. Somebody tell me, oh yeah.
Perfect, nobody's perfect. My body's perfect, bitch, I'm perfect. Somebody lied, just watch me murk it, I'ma murk it. Bitches, my sons, I use the circuit, got them hurting.
Jamaica is amazing, so you guys have to come and visit.
Definitely.
The blue water. Yeah,
Like Indian Ocean. Beautiful. Yes, girl.
Come on, let's go this way. And yeah, now we're heading back to where we're sitting.
Uh-huh.
We're underneath the coconut tree. Like the song.
Yeah.
What is the song name? Kissing under the coconut tree, right?
I don't know which song you're talking about, but
Something about under the coconut tree.
okay.
With Nicole Scherzinger and I think the other guy's from Sweden.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay,
But
okay.
anyway, this is the life.
Yes.
Wanna change my ways under the coconut tree. You be chilling with me, making love to you in a bed so true, made of sand and sea. No place I'd rather be, no one else I wanna.
How she's gonna react now when she sees the food, guys.
Do you have salt with you this time?
What are you eating, my friend? I don't think she should be eating this, but her mom disagrees.
Yeah, maybe not do that. What are you doing?
This is called chewing. She's chewing with her two teeth.
She's not even eating it.
Maybe she just wants something to hold. Oh, the chewing game is serious. Hey.
Never MONTEGO. Inte alls.
What did you order, Ram?
Fish burger.
And vad bra.
Det här är något nytt.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, thank you. You guys are beautiful as well.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, Lord, coming from you guys now.
Nice, looking good. Black chocolate is the best.
Oh,
Yes, hello.
thank you for the love. I appreciate
hi.
it. Hi. Enjoy yourself, Noah. You're welcome. Thank you so much, love. I appreciate it.
No problem too.
You see? So this girl over here is Mali, and everyone is saying how cute she is. Did you guys see her earrings? She just got them recently. I'm gonna go for dinner later, Ramu, right? And when we go for dinner later, I'm gonna pick up the camera again and I'm gonna show you guys what we're having for dinner. But for now, we're just gonna keep relaxing. Hey guys, it's so dark right now, but we're heading for dinner and we're gonna have Indian food today, so you guys are gonna tag along. And our friend Mr. Wallace picked us up. God, guys, I look so red, but we're currently in the car, me and Kadra, because my sister is staying home with the baby and she's asleep, so you know we don't want to wake her up just for dinner. But Kadra is up front. Hey Kadra.
Hey girl.
Wagwan.
I'm good.
You excited?
Yes, I am.
Yo, this girl's been to Montego Bay like so many times, so she's the queen. She's gonna show me around today.
Yes,
and our friend Mr. Wallace is driving us. Ah, so he's about to turn up.
Yeah, man.
You know what this girl said? She said, I have horsepowers today. It sounds so funny. She's like, I have horsepower ready, because we were supposed to go out last night, but she was just like exhausted. But the lighting is better now. And yeah, we're gonna get some Indian food and I'm so excited. You can see my outfit. I'm wearing my, I don't know if this is African print, but anyway, this skirt is made in Gambia. My sister made it for me when she was there and it's so gorgeous. We just got here and it's like a mall. It reminds me of LA. We're looking for the entrance to get to this restaurant.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at this fountain.
Yeah, it looks so nice. Look at the fountain, guys, in the background. It's so nice. The lighting is horrible. That's the fountain. Look, that hey mood. They have Pizza Hut. Yeah. Coffee,
Oh, I felt the Indian.
yeah, that side is popping. My outfit, it's so cute. I love this outfit. Look, it looks so nice. It looks like they have like an Indian event. Okay, so guys, we just got here and they didn't have any seats, so they got us this seat where you have to sit and cross your legs. Look at that. Hi love, how are you? Where do you have your legs? Here. She has her legs there, so she's sitting up like that.
I found another better.
So we got this whole table by ourselves and I'm sitting with my legs crossed like this because you don't have space to put your legs here. Like as you guys see, it's like a cardboard up there. They have an event here, so all the seats are taken. As you guys can see over there, they just set up all the seats. Out to Margaritaville and I'm wearing this purple dress. We are going to party. Oh, it's so sad. I can't take my vlogging camera with me because I don't know how it is over there, but I'll be vlogging probably with my phone and I'll post some clips here so you guys can see what is going down.